Ah. Ano? Anong gusto mo? Ha? Saan ka? Saan ka pupunta? Oh. Yan mga vlogs. Wala tayong susunod sa ayan. Rough road.
Ngayon packet kaya mano yung gulong. Yung gumaganon, lalong malikabot.
Wala to sa ano, sa Google Maps. Oh, vlogs. Tingnan mo. Okay. Alam mo bakit nakapunta dito yung Pilipino, wala sa Google Maps. Band. Ito pala yung band office. 70 lang dito eh. Yan, ito yung maliit na Indian Reserve. In between ng Prince George and Mackenzie.
Yung hotdog yan.
Ito mga vlogs, dito tayo sa camping site to.
Yan, yan. Ay, open na.
Yan.
Guys, sarap yan.
Ito yung J-Flight. Tapos yung mag-boat, kung sino gusto mag-boat. Yan o. Yan yung lake, nandun. Whiskers Point. Ayan o. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Kuya, vlog.
Hello vlog. Welcome to my guys. Ouch. Hey you.
Watch out for the low-hanging.
Yeah, that's them. Oh, okay. Let's go visit. Ah, dito din yung kabilang ano, campsite. Dalawang campsite mga ka-vlogs. Oh, you get the boat?
Boat's in the water, buddy.
Oh, okay. Nice.
You gonna go on the tube?
Yeah, I could maybe. I might get a heart attack.
Tie it around your neck so you don't lose it.
Oh, that's a nice camping site. Eh? So you were here yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And you can stand right up in it, so
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's
more
pretty
room,
big.
right?
It's for like 10 people or something.
it says 6 person.
6. Oh, okay.
I took this to Kitimat and we
Oh, yeah.
camped on the this beach type place.
Oh, yeah.
Boat access only with a hot spring.
Oh,
It was nice.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's nice, man. Bumisita tayo dito sa kabilang side. Ha? Hotdog!
Bigyan mo ako na isang ano. Yung bell ko. Iya kayong dali sa.
Hotdog.
Well, it's frozen, so
Kasi yung dala natin ano, watermelon.
Doon.
Canadian
Canadian tayo. Ayun o. Malak mo.
Oo, ano?
Wala naman, babalik-balik naman. Ang daming naipon, parang ano doon.
Ito kinukuha nila. Oo, oo.
Kasi yung gusto niya.
Oh.
Ayan. I want peanut. Oh. I want peanut. Yan,
Naku.
nakain nila yan. Yan. Come on.
Oh, wala.
Kuha ka doon.
Wala. Na ano pa kami? Ah, ano?
Kanina pa yung pabalik-balik. Ang daming naipon na. Ang tawag ko ngayon ano mo
Ito.
ba? Ang dami nang naipon yan.
Ah. Ano? Anong gusto mo? Ha? Saan ka? Saan ka pupunta? Oh. Ha? Ha? Oh. Gusto mo ng mani? Ha? Gahanap ka ng ano ha. Asan na? Wala dito. Ha? Asan na? Wala dito. Oh. Hanggang hanap ka ha. Wala. Wala. Oh. Ayan oh. Ha? Oh. Talagang hindi ka natatakot ha? Oh. Wala dito. Wala na. Hello? Ano? Saan pupunta? Ha? Saan pupunta? Wala dyan. Naku, baka may baga dyan. Bye-bye na. Ito merong ano dito, playground sa mga bata. Ayan. Ayan o, sign language letters. Go.
The next day.
Hi, kumusta mga ka-vlogs? Pick up tayo ng may GoPro na ano book. Una nilagay niya $20, tapos naging ano na lang, zero. At ang bibili. So libre, pero medyo malayo-layo, 9 kilometers.
In 100 meters,
So,
turn left onto Queensway.
Pick upin natin. Ayan, samahan niyo ako.
Turn left onto Queensway.
Ayan, summer's winding down, no? It's just a couple weeks left.
No! God,
September.
please, no! No! No!
And then August, September, October.
Continue on Queensway for 2 kilometers.
Mag-iiba na yung ating paligid dahil yung green leaves mag-change na. Ayan, so there's gonna be changes, but sa mga hunters dito sa North BC, it's a good time for them kasi yun yung hunting season, mating season ng yung mga animals, I think also. So they're mating season, meaning nagpaparami din sila. Yan, so yan natin, no? Yung ating season is 4 seasons, and everything's like we're doing it according to the season, right? Yung mga action natin. So we're getting ready for winter. Yan, naisip natin yan na kailangan ready na ako for winter. May thick jacket ako, ganyan, thick clothing. But you're not really mentally prepared, meaning I don't want to do it yet, but you have no choice kasi yung weather, you can't change it.
In 400 meters, turn right onto First Avenue, Yellowhead Highway East.
And so ang weather is you can't change, pero ang ma-change mo lang is your attitude. That's the only one you can have control of.
Turn right onto First Avenue, Yellowhead Highway.
GoPro. Ayun, ito nga yung bear carving. Book. Ayun, thank you. Professional Guide to Filmmaking. Yan. Bago gumanda na yung ano natin, 43.99. Nalibre lang natin. Thank you. Mag-message tayo bago tayo malis. Dito yung mga tahimik na part ng ano, North BC, Prince George, Blackburn area. Masyadong tahimik, nakakabingi.